How to request prepayments. With prepayment, your clients can pay in advance, adding credits to their TaxDome account for instant and hassle-free invoice payments. You can request a deposit or a full payment in advance. Imagine that you have a new client that is requesting a very complicated tax return. With this feature, you can request a deposit to ensure their commitment. First step is to adjust your payment settings before turning the prepayment on. From the integration page under the Settings section, we'll look for the Payments tab. In the Prepayment section, make sure the Hide Invoices from Clients toggle is turned off. This ensures your clients can see their invoices. Also, ensure your preferred payment provider is connected and set as the default provider. This step is crucial for processing payments smoothly. Finally, toggle the Enable Prepayment option in the Preferences section. Then choose your preferred payment method. You can select credit card, bank debits, or both, depending on what you want to offer for prepayments. Click on Save and that's it. With prepayment enabled, your clients will see a Make Prepayment link on their dashboard. When they click on this link, they can enter the prepayment amount and submit it. This makes adding credits to their account quick and easy. Now that prepayment is enabled, you can request a prepayment to your clients by sending them a message, and they will be able to make it directly from the portal. In this case, we are requesting a payment of $100 so we can start with their return. After making the prepayment, credit will be added in their account, and once you issue an invoice with the total of the service, they can use the credit to pay part of it.